Raamdeo Agrawal also joining us, and Raamdev is in Moscow. And Raamdev, can I say good morning, or you are already in a state of disbelief?
No. This is very good morning. It's very bright sunshine here, and I was just looking at the screen. In fact, I was watching ET Now live on internet. So clean and nice here, and so I think finally what nobody was expecting has happened, and that is the jolt one is going through. So one of the famous saying is that whenever there is a frenzy in the market, go for a nice walk. So I think that's the kind of situation it is, because we don't have anything. I heard so many guys. Nobody has any clue what is going to happen because of this. So how do you react in the market at this juncture?
Yeah, and we only envy you, Raamdeo, that you have a beautiful walk out there in Russia. But purely from an Indian investor point of view, Raamdeo, how do you approach this market? Do you keep your buying list ready? Because my sense is that the broader market collapse has only just started. They're falling more than the frontliners, and maybe it could get aggravated in the next few days. So once the dust settles down, you keep your buying list ready and start buying more of the stocks which you always wanted to buy, but they were richly valued earlier.
So you are already in panic situation. I mean, I don't know what are the numbers right now, maybe 800 points, 900 points, 1,000 points. So you're already at the midst of the kind of mini deluge or whatever you can say. So so whatever is the cash you are left with, see, I at least operate with almost 100% invested. So first thing in the morning, I called up my managers and I said, how much money you have? So today is the day for shopping. That's what I told them. So,
what shopping, Raamdeo? What's the shopping list looking like?
Yeah, so no, it is the same stocks which you have. So the ones which are, my sense is the ones which were doing well recently, the same stocks will come up for more selling, because people will try to book profits rather than booking losses. So, so my sense is we might, among our list of stocks which we are buying or thinking of buying, we could use this opportunity to, whatever cash we have, to buy into them. So that would be our strategy. Only time will tell whether what we are trying to do now. In any case, we would have bought the shares. So my sense is these are opportunities. I mean, yesterday what was available for 100, today it is available for 95. In any case, if it had opened at 100, then also we would have bought. At 95, my customers are benefited.
Raamdev, on paper, we can prove that India is not the first derivative or the second derivative or the third. In fact, it is the third derivative of a fallout. So I'm with you, Raamdev, when you say that if you're getting a good business cheaper because of global problems, you should be a buyer. But Raamdev, my challenge here is that right now, globe is hungry for growth. And this kind of an event will only open concerns about where growth is headed. I mean, the last thing we want is that, central banks should print more money and they should artificially kickstart their economies. And also, Raamdev, the social implications of such a move. It has started in Britain. It could go over to Netherlands. You don't know whether Germany wants in. You don't know what will happen to Italy. So, Raamdev, maybe the social fabric of the world could change.
Yeah, so as I said, this is a huge global event. I mean, I'm not undermining the importance of it. But entrepreneurs, you don't undermine the entrepreneurs also. The companies, they will find their ways. Life goes on. I mean, what changes in your life or my life on a day-to-day basis? So the businesses which are supplying, say you are flying, you are eating something, you are drinking something. So you are using banking services, you are using insurance services. So per se, businesses are not as unstable as what the markets are making out to be right now. Because right now it is emotionally challenged. Markets are emotionally challenged. I mean, world will find central bankers, authorities, politicians. You see responses from Delhi, from all over the world. As the morning happens everywhere, they will grapple with the situation, and responses will come. And but by that time, what happens in the stock market is a perception issue. Today's opinion, today's price, tomorrow's opinion, tomorrow's price. Today there is a panic, so you'll get a panic price. Tomorrow, once things are calm down, you'll get a much better price, because then it will look, we panic a little bit, but things are not as bad as what it looks to be. So things will change. I'm not undermining that.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.